Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back again. If you are new to Bitcoin, you probably heard a lot of noise. Some people say it's risky. Some say it's the future. Some say it's a scam. But the truth is simple. Bitcoin is the most important upgrade to money in 5,000 years. And today, I will show you exactly why. Bitcoin is digital money you can spend anywhere in the world, and is not controlled by any government, bank, or company. It's money that runs on mathematics, not politics, on rules, not by rulers. Bitcoin is the first money that is borderless, permissionless, censorship resistant, limited in supply, and directly owned by you. This is what makes Bitcoin different from everything else. Bitcoin was created after the 2008 financial crisis. Bank collapse, people lost saving, government print trillions. Bitcoin was designed as a solution, a form of money that cannot be printed, inflated, or manipulated. It's the first money that protects you from inflation, corruption, financial control, bank failures, political decisions. Bitcoin is financial independence. Bitcoin runs on a network of thousands of computers around the world. This computer verify every transaction. No single person controls it. No government can shut it down. No bank can freeze it. The system is called the blockchain, a public ledger that records everything transparently. It's a global spreadsheet that everyone can see and no one can cheat. Bitcoin has value because it's limited to 21 million, it's secure, it's global, it's independent, it's predictable, and it's trusted. People trust Bitcoin because it's the first money that doesn't change the rules. Government change rule, bank change rule, Bitcoin doesn't. Bitcoin matters because it gives you control. If you live in a country with inflation, Bitcoin protects your saving. If you live in a country with strict banking rules, Bitcoin gives you freedom. And if you live in a country with unstable currency, Bitcoin gives you stability. Bitcoin is not just an investment, it's a lifeline. This is the beginning. All right. In the next episode, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin safely, how to store it, how to protect yourself, and how Bitcoin fits into your life. Welcome to episode 1 of Beginner Series. Let's build your Bitcoin foundation together. All right. Thank you for watching. See you next episode. Bye-bye.